Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the Tech Varta show. This is episode 3 and I am your host Shubham. Before we begin, a quick preview of what lies ahead. Today we are going to talk about Tesla and the video addressed to Elon Musk, chip shortage issue across the globe. We will also discuss on the announcements made by Apple during its developer conference. Also, there is a special section dedicated just to our gamers. So let's get started. In recent days, a video was uploaded. The video was directed to Elon Musk and was criticizing the policies and action of Tesla CEO.
Greetings, citizens of the world. This is a message from Anonymous, for Elon Musk. For the past several years you have enjoyed one of the most favorable reputations of anyone in the billionaire class, because you have tapped into the desire that many of us have to live in a world with electric cars and space exploration, but recently your carefully created public image is being exposed, and people are beginning to see you as nothing more than another narcissistic rich dude who is desperate for attention. It is also obvious to the young children working in your overseas lithium mines, which are destroying the local environment as well. You have even prematurely crowned yourself Emperor of Mars, a place where you will be sending people to die. You may think you are the smartest person in the room, but now you have met your match. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. Expect us.
The video initially was said to be uploaded by a worldwide group of known hackers who call them Anonymous. Later, they themselves confirmed that they have not made this video or are connected to it. It seems it's an action of a third party just trying to gain some attention. The global chip shortage continues to exist, and it seems it is not going anywhere until late next year. This means we can see new investments being made in this field. Just like Bosch has decided to open an $1.2 billion chip manufacturer in Germany. Now it's time for update from $1 trillion company. Apple announced multiple updates and information about its products in developer conference held on Monday. Apple is adding special audio to FaceTime, which means if someone appears on the left of your screen, it will actually sound like they are on your left in your ear. iOS can now detect background noise and tries to suppress it, but this feature will be optional. Another cool thing announced by Apple is if you are using FaceTime for a work conference, you can generate FaceTime link and add it to a calendar invite. Also, FaceTime will work on web browser, which means people without Apple devices can join FaceTime calls. It seems Apple has launched this feature to compete with other video call services like Zoom and Google Meet. It's time for the cool section, some updates for our gamers. EA finally revealed few details for next installment of Battlefield series. Battlefield 2042 brings several changes to first-person shooting franchise. The game is scheduled to launch on October 22 on PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox One and Xbox Series XS. Nvidia has also announced new graphics card called RTX 370 Ti. Also, a new streaming service called Binge, which is aimed at gamers, will be revealed at E3 according to Forbes. In other news, Indian government has issued final warning to Twitter to comply to its new IT rules, failing to which can result in multiple consequences for the company. Thank you guys for listening. That's all for now. Catch you on the next one.